Hi, I'm Shafiq. We are from Group M. We'll present about our business, which called Easy Task, your daily task manager. So in this presentation, we will talk about our business idea.
So this is our table content. First, we are going to start with industry analysis, then customer needs, marketing strategy, business model, overview of the competition, risk, implementation plan, financial projection, and lastly, financial needs.
First thing first, I will talk about industry analysis. So based on our observation, our business is more into IT sector. So we have find 5 points that we have comes out. So firstly, demand. In IT industry, we are providing low cost proposition. Next is key supply, which means we are continuously skill enhancement of our employees to increase our business profit. Thirdly, nature of change. Due to technology changes, competition between this industry increasing. Then, prediction. Based on our prediction, this IT industry will keep changes in the environments between 2 to 3 years. Lastly, pricing power. We are more to demand supply gap driven because a gap in the market is an opportunity to make and sell something that is not available yet. In other words, it means a consumer need that supply has not yet met.
So for this slide is for the customer needs. According to our team, it target people in the range of between 18 to 30 that are working in a company. So after we analyze problem, we came out with one problem, which is the time and task management. So we want to develop a platform that can manage their tasks and time immediately. So the platform needs to have a lot of good criteria to solve the adult problem. So there are four main criteria that makes a good platform. First is the user experience. The user experience using our product, the user experience, your product or services need to be easy or at least clear as not to create more work for the customer. Second is the design where it along with the experience, the product or services needs a sleek design to make it reality easy initiative to use. And then thirdly is the platform performance where the product of service performance correct so that customer can achieve their goals. And then last one is the accessibility of the platform where the customer need to be able to access the applications and also the channel support teams. So this means providing example channel for customer service.
Hello, my name is Jahal and I will be explaining the marketing strategies. The four PC marketing strategies are price, place, promotion, and product. Similar products are already available in the American market, but Easy Task will be made cheaper for the Malaysian consumers. Easy Task will be free to use, but will include monthly and annual subscription. A monthly subscription will cost 20 Malaysian ringgit, and an annual subscription will cost 260 Malaysian ringgit, which allows the customers to save 10%. Easy Tasks will be distributed in the Apple App Store for Apple devices, and the Google Play Store will be used for Android devices. For promotion, the app will be advertised through the use of social media such as Facebook and Twitter.
My name is Azim, and I will be presenting the business model. For the key partners, we have technology partners, which are app developers and admin for maintenance. For the target markets, we have working adults, students, and big organization, also entrepreneur. And last but not least, it is investors. For the key activities, we want to let the adults organize their daily tasks efficiently and effectively, allow adults to check reminder, to share their schedules to others, and also collaboration of scheduled tasks with others. For the key resources, we have the managing working adult tasks and due, application that can create new tasks for the working adults, and payment gateway to perform online banking for our provision app. Value proposition, a better time management for adults and students, able to manage user daily tasks using the application to avoid unwanted stress, user-friendly task managed application, and also user will have a better view of their tasks in a list and a reminder. For customer relationship, we have provide a service that will help to manage their everyday tasks. Customer first, service mindset regardless of customer segment, and also customer support. For channels, our customer can reach and get information about Easy Tasks through media socials, blogs, and online websites. Survey live chat is provided where they can drop their contact information. All of our channels will be in sync, where updates about our service will be done simultaneously through our media socials. For customer segments, our target customer will be working adults and students. Adults and students who have difficulties in managing their own hectic daily life. Adults and students that seek assistance to manage their packed schedules. Adults and students who have difficulties tracking and tending to their daily tasks. For cost structure, the most important cost inherent in our business is server costs and developer's salary. Cost for the developer's laptop to code for the mobile application, and our service has a value-driven cost structure. Revenue streams, customer will be paying by watching advertisement provided by a third party and network. Customers currently pay by viewing ads provided. The more exposure or impression the ads receive, the more the revenue. Customers will have the option to pay a monthly or annual subscription for premium features the application provides and the removal of advertisement. Each revenue stream will be subjected to 50% of the overall revenue.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Majdi, and now I'm going to be presenting about the risk of deploying our product into the market. As you can see, the risk will be taken from the feasibility analysis. There are three items in feasibility analysis, which are industry attractiveness, target market attractiveness, and market timeliness. This means that the risk can be determined from the feasibility analysis because the feasibility analysis covers all the important items that we have to look for to market our product. Even though the results of our feasibility analysis favors our product, there are still some risk factors that we have to look out for. The first one is industry attractiveness. While doing the analysis, we found out the risk from this category, which is there are many competitors in the market which offer the same product. This could be one of the problems because in order to penetrate the market with existing products, it will be difficult to get and retain our customers. The total competitors in the market have resulted in a high degree of industry concentration since everyone is offering the same product. Next, the second risk can be taken from the target market attractiveness analysis. The risk is the excitement surrounding our new product offering is met. This is because there are already many competitors in the market which have delivered world-class quality products, so when our new product comes in, the customer's excitement and passion for our product will not be very great. Lastly, the third risk, which is taken from the market timeliness analysis, is the buying mood of the customers will not be very good. The third risk is related to the second risk because there are already world-class quality products in the market. So when a new product comes into the market, customers will not expect much from it unless they truly experience the product themselves. This will result in low buying mood from the customers because in their mind they can just use the existing product instead of ours. So these are the risks of our product to enter the market.
Hi, I'm Hanshana. I'll be discussing about the implementation plan. So there are 6 steps in the implementation plan. So the first step is defining our goal. What is our main objective? Our main objective is to help our user manage their daily tasks in a more easy to navigate interface. On the second step, we conduct research. Once we have defined our goal, we conduct research based on the goal and the idea that we have defined. The research that is done by interview, survey, focus group, or observation. The research outcome should include a list of what you should do during the project timeline, budget, and other relevant information. On the third step, we map out the risk. After the research is done, we point out the potential risks that we may face, and the risk may come in various types. A good way to identify the risk is by doing a SWOT analysis. Moving on is schedule milestone. The next step is schedule milestone, where it is a step in helping us to keep track during the execution of our business project. Milestones serve as a matrix where they are ways to measure on how far that we have come from our project and how far that you have to left to go. A way to keep track in our progress is by using a Gantt chart. The fifth step is assign responsibility and tasks, where we should assign responsibility and tasks to all parties that is involved in this project. This builds a more productive team where everyone has their own tasks and learn to be proactive and in their own expertise. Finally, we allocate resources, which is the best way to reduce risk. This is because that we plan on what is needed and what is not needed as the 3 resources needed on the project. Therefore, we will not lose track on our resources of the project and allow us to proceed in various activities of our project.
Hi sir, I'm Oishujian and I'm going to present about the overall competition. So our 3 main competitors in the market are To-Do Reminder, Todoist, and Microsoft To-Do apps. Among the competitors, all of the applications are compatible with iOS and Android, excluding the Microsoft To-Do, which mainly focus on PC and iOS operation system only. One of the key features for our app is To-Do list that enable users to set their tasks on a list that able to have a clear view on what they need to do. For our competitors, they have a reminder for the tasks, but they don't have a complete visualized list for users to manage their daily tasks. So in terms of price, we have an advantage in the competition, which users are not required to pay or subscribe our apps, besides having full features and function of our apps, comparing to our competitors, which have subscription plan for users to unlock more features. Also, our apps have an advantage which we have an alarm system which remind user for their incoming tasks. This can prevent user from forgetting their important tasks. And our competitors to do reminder also have these features which is their key features that they emphasize on. Other than that, the other two competitors doesn't have the features for the alarm reminder. For the cloud drive, easy tasks are connecting the account with social media and email, which able to sync the data. For Todoist and Microsoft To Do, they provide a cloud drive for users which enable them to acquire data from any device with their account. For the last perspective is the customization part. For easy tasks, we haven't provide features for user to customize application layout and their favorite tab, but users are able to edit the title of tasks, which is efficient, sufficient, and user-friendly for user. For Todoist and Microsoft To Do, users able to change how they add their tasks, task comment, quick add-on, and favorite button. Overall, in the market competition, easy tasks have more advantages compared to the three main competitors existing in the market.
My name is Ahmad Afimizadi, and today I would like to talk about the financial needs for our application, which is EasyTask, your daily task manager. So this is the estimation of the financial needs to develop the application. So we categorize it by four, which is the first one is labor, next one is marketing, hardware and IT, and last but not least is publishing. So in labor, we accumulate around 8,000 ringgit. So this 8,000 ringgit will be divided into to the developers and also the UI and UX designers. This to ensure we can maintain our application very good and the performance is everything's good. So and also it looks nice and user friendly for our target market to use it. Next is for our marketing, which is we accumulate around 3,000 ringgit. So marketing in here is mostly on social media, which is we do advertisement on social media. Since some of our market is student, and student is very familiar with social media, so this is how we try to tackle them to get into our application. Next is hardware and IT. So hardware and IT has a lot of things since we are building a mobile application. So we need to rent a servers and also buy a few machine to develop the application. Now, not all developers need a new machine, but we have a new at least have a new machine to test and the servers one is definitely to control everything what we done so that it can be centralized. But last and not least is publishing, which is we accumulate around 2,000 ringgit. So for publishing, for enterprise level, we need to pay to get into the App Store and also the Google Play, which is our main kind of market to publish our application. So the total financial needs for our application is around RM 20,000 ringgit.
So I think this is all from us. Thank you.